Suppose another example. This is 90 degrees. Hypotenuse is given as 15. Hypotenuse is given as 15. XY are positive integers. XY are positive integers. How many right angled triangles with integral side and hypotenuse is given as 15. So this will become x square plus y square is equivalent to 15 square, which is 225. X square plus y square is equivalent to 225. I hope the concept it is clear. Now listen carefully. What is the unit digit of these? Right hand side 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. Left hand side unit digits I took. Depending upon the question. Right hand side, these are all the possible unit digits. Why I have taken these cases? Right hand side unit digit it is 5. Right hand side unit digit it is 5. 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 1 and 5 plus 0. Now listen carefully. Now easily you can solve. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 are right. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 are right. Any perfect square ends with even number of zeros. Any perfect square ends with even number of zeros. Any perfect square ending with 5. Tens place is always 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Tens place satisfying. That means one case we got x is 0. Y is 15. 15 square is 225 plus 0. X is 0, y is 15. X is 0, y is 15. So can I take 100 plus 125? 100 it is a perfect square. Y square it is 125. If it is a perfect square, its digital sum should be 1, 4, 7 or 9. So this case it is not possible. Only one case I will get. This case also is not possible. Why? Because the side is becoming 0. So this is not possible. Next one. Any perfect square ending with 4. 8 square 64, 12 square 144, 18 square 324. It is even. Any perfect square ending with 1. 9 square 81, 11 square 121, 19 square 361. It is also even. It is also even. So let us see which all cases are possible for 1 and 4. If it is 0, 1 plus 24, it is possible. Are you all with me? It should be even, right? 21 plus 0, 4, it is possible. Next, even. 41 plus 84. 41 plus 84, 125, it is possible. 61 plus 64, it is also 25 possible. Are you all with me? Tens place is even. I am moving from 0 to 81 plus 44. 81 plus 44, 125. These are all the cases which are possible. These are all the cases which are possible. One by one we will do. What is the smallest number on square? So 1 square. 1 square it is 0, 1. Right? 225 means what should be the case? 225. 225, which all cases will come? What is the smallest square? On square I will get 24 at the end. 24 means 18 square is 324. 18 square is 324. This is the smallest number on square I will get 324. 225 is less. This value is not possible. Are you all with me? This value it is not possible. Next one. 21 plus 04. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 21. 11 square is 121. 121 plus 104. 104. The digital sum is 5. But y square is a perfect square. This case not possible. This case not possible. 41 plus 84. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 40. 121 square is 441. 441 plus something greater than 225. Not possible. Not possible. I hope the idea it is clear. 61 plus 64. 61. 8 square it is 64. 64 plus 161 it is 225. These digital sum is 8. Not possible. Any other cases are there? What is the smallest number? 19 square is 361. It is not possible. 81 plus 44. 9 square 81. So remaining will be 144. Yes. X value 9, Y value 12. 9, 12, 15. It is possible. First case possible. 12 square 144. Next all the numbers. 9 square 81. Next number will become 41 square 1681. This is a larger value. So from 81 plus 44 as the tens place. One case we got 9, 12 and 15. 9, 12 and 15. Side value odd, side value even, hypotenuse odd, hypotenuse even. I hope the idea it is clear. 0, 0. I hope this right hand side idea it is clear. 0, 0 plus 2, 5, even plus 1, even 4. This case not possible. Reverse will be 4, 1, reverse will be 5, 0. So you just concentrate on even 1 plus even 4. Because it is even, I took 0, 1, 21, 41, 61, 81. So from there, I enumerated the cases. What I did, what is the smallest number? On square, I will get 1. 1 square is 0, 1. So 1 plus 320. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 24. 18 square is 324. First case not possible. Smallest number on square 2 square 04. So 2 square 04. 221. 221 is not a perfect square. I did all the cases. I hope the idea it is very, very clear to you. One more question I will solve so that it will be very clear. Generally, when the hypotenuse is given, people will just take the Pythagorean triplets. That is not the right way to solve the question.